Behind all great achievements lie great stories of entrepreneurship and innovation. And it is no different in the case of the history of Indian civil aviation, a sector that has constantly evolved with the changing times. In the 86 years of our aviation history, we have set trends and broken stereotypes. But it all started with one man's vision and his gritty resolve to make his dream come true. A man that carried India's commercial pilot license number 1, Shri Jehangir Ratanji Dadabhai Tata, or as fondly known to the world, the legendary JRD. And so on 15th October 1932, a Pusmoth aircraft soared into the skies carrying airmail from Karachi to Bombay via Ahmedabad as India's very first commercial flight on its very first airline, Tata Airlines. This flight was piloted by JRD himself and paved the way for Indian aviation to blaze a pioneering path through the decades that followed to become one of the largest and fastest growing aviation markets in the world. But equally important as moving forward is not losing touch of where one has come from. Vistara, jointly owned by Tata Sons and Singapore Airlines, is the inheritor of the legacy of JRD Tata and the proud aviation heritage of Tata Sons, and is charged with carrying forward the vision and dream of JRD and Tata Sons to create a world-class, trend-setting global airline that Indians will be proud to fly and call their own. To celebrate its legacy and pay homage to JRD Tata, as well as announce to the world its heritage as the true inheritors of JRD's aviation legacy, Vistara painted its newest aircraft, the 22nd in its fleet, in the colours of Tata Airlines. This aircraft also carries same registration VT80V that was carried on a Tata airline Douglas DC-3 in the 1940s. Unveiled to the world on September 1st, 2018, the Vistara Retrojet, as it came to be known, is one of the most distinctive, sought-after and photographed aircraft in India today. To complete the retro experience, cabin crew wear retro uniforms inspired by the classy look of Tata Airlines and of the golden age of flying, the 1950s and 60s, on special retro flights. These special flights are highly anticipated by aviation enthusiasts and experienced travelers alike, as it transports passengers back to an era gone by, to an era when flying was special and magical, and where people would dress up in their finest clothes to fly. As it prepares to spread its wings overseas, Vistara continues to be driven by the passion, ambition and attention to detail to bring to the world an airline that would make JRD Tata and his legacy proud. Thank you for being a part of this very special journey with us.